Healing in shamanism originally was not practiced in one-to-one sessions, but it was practiced in groups, specifically in circles, in the different villages and tribes, where the medicine men and women, the wise elements of the village were gathering together, and the person receiving the healing was lying down in the central part of the circle. He was called child, and is still called nowadays child, because we are all children of Mother Earth. And each person was working with the help of their practice, their knowledge, their tools, the co-work with the spirits in healing the imbalances and the disease that the child was taking into the council, into the group. Nowadays, of course, we have moved into an individual society in which there is less the element of the collective, of the community. And so when we need to receive healing, and we're speaking about each kind of practice that we are going to, the traditional medicine, the complementary medicine, we are doing that in an individual way, in a one-to-one. But it's also possible to reproduce the same way of working in the circle. And this is what we are doing on the 29th and 30th of March, online and in Edinburgh, the Art and Spirituality Centre, where I am right now, where it's possible to have the opportunity to receive healing first, surrounded by shamanic practitioners that have already practiced healing on clients, on other people. Or if you want, also have the opportunity to channel spirits, which is a very easy practice, and you don't need to have any knowledge in terms of knowing what to do. You will, of course, be assigned the easiest way of working, which is allowing the spirits to give gifts that can be quality symbols, practical gifts to the person, the child receiving healing. So if you want, you can have the opportunity to have this experience, which is quite unique. But if you don't feel, you can just watch, observe, or receive healing, which is the most amazing part of that. And what happens in a healing session, in a circle, you're actually working, explaining exactly in the same way of a one-to-one, why you are here, what you need, what is the main reasons that takes you here. And then you are going to receive cleansing, removing energies that are unwanted, that stay in your aura level, in your body level. And then there will also be elements of maybe channeling with other spirits, passing messages from other lives, and retrieving maybe parts of the soul that have disappeared from you and need to be reunited and reconnected back with you. Receive gifts, qualities, skills, messages coming from the spirit, and it's really has a beautiful experience and unique opportunity that you have that doesn't happen so often nowadays in our community. There are less and less opportunities to practice in the original ways. So I would love to invite you to have a look on schoolofshamanism.co.uk, 29th and 30th of March. I've decided to call it Healing Circle and not Circles plural, because the whole weekend will be part of the same circle. And this is not exactly what you tried before. This is not a women's circle. It's a circle of healing in which you are receiving healing, dedications, attentions, and cares, and have the opportunity also to sort out elements and maybe haven't been successful if you have been to traditional way of trying to sort out your challenges, the traditional way of working that can happen in psychology, coaching, counseling. Sometimes these tools can help us till a certain point. And then over that point in which basically we recognize that we can't heal with the mind what has been created by the mind, we go into different level. We go beyond the borders, and we try to get access to the roots of why you are suffering about something, and maybe the reason is going back in time, in previous lives, in your ancestors, and you are still carrying the results from those happenings.